Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're pitting the Breville Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, the Oracle Touch, renewed version, against the Jura E6 Platinum. Two serious contenders in the super-automatic world.
Exactly. The Breville Oracle Touch, a high-end machine, but as a renewed product. And the Jura E6 Platinum, known for its simplicity and quality. This should be a fun comparison.
Let's get brewing. First impressions? The Breville, with its touchscreen, screams modern convenience. You literally swipe and select your drink. Think smartphone for coffee.
The Jura E6 takes a more classic approach with its color display and button interface. Some might find it less intimidating, more straightforward. Plus, fewer things to potentially go wrong, right?
Good point. But the Breville's personalization is pretty impressive. You can save up to 8 custom coffee profiles, tweaking everything from strength to milk texture. Perfect for households with different preferences.
The Jura E6 also allows for customization. Coffee strength, volume, temperature, milk foam, even hot water. It's programmable, but maybe not quite as granular as 8 individual profiles.
Okay, let's talk about the brewing process. The Breville uses a dual boiler system, which means simultaneous espresso extraction and milk steaming, maintaining optimal temperature.
The Jura boasts their pulse extraction process, or PEP, for optimal extraction time and aroma. And it's got an 8th generation brewing unit with 3D brewing technology. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Grinding power. The Breville has an integrated precision conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. Dose control is key.
The Jura features a professional aroma grinder, promising 12.2% more aroma compared to standard grinders. They're really emphasizing the aroma.
Hard to verify that claim, but aroma definitely impacts the coffee experience. Milk frothing time. The Breville has a self-cleaning steam wand that creates barista-quality microfoam automatically. Latte art, anyone?
The Jura also froths milk, and it self-cleans, which is a huge plus. User reviews rave about how easy it is to maintain.
Size and capacity. The Breville has a half-a-pound bean hopper and a generous 67 ounces water tank. Less refilling.
The Jura is more compact at 22 pounds. We don't have the exact water tank capacity, but some users mention refilling it more often, something to consider if you drink a lot of coffee.
The big differentiator, the Breville is a renewed product, meaning it's pre-owned but inspected and tested. It also only has a 2.5-star rating.
And the Jura E6 is brand new, sold by an authorized dealer, and has a 4.4-star rating. Peace of mind versus potential savings. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities. Do you want the latest tech and personalization? And are you okay with a renewed product? Or do you prefer a simpler brand new machine with a focus on ease of use and reliability?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.